Hello guys, meet the BTAS ceramic dry bike chain lube, engineered for smooth, long-lasting performance. Okay guys, so now we're gonna ceramic lube for our bike chain. There you apply the product on the whole chain. After we finish applying the product, then we can wipe it off the excess. You're gonna wait about 3 to 4 hours. So that's gonna ensure a very smooth ride and also a very smooth when you shift the gears as well. Tá bom. Okay guys, so you can really tell the difference with after we apply the BTAS ceramic coating lubricant for chains. You should definitely try this chain lubricant. It definitely works. It makes all the difference. A very smooth ride after we applied the lubricants. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.